Welcome back to City Foodie Farm. Today, I am going to show you how to make your own quesadillas at home. They are so simple and so good. I feel like we forget about this delicious, easy meal. I am going to show you how easy it is. But first, I want to introduce you to a couple key ingredients to make your quesadillas taste amazing. We have discovered this cheese. It's queso fresco. It's delicious on tacos, on quesadillas, and even soup. And the next ingredient, we also discovered just diced up onions and cilantro. This mixture is great on tacos, quesadillas, anything really. And of course, some homemade salsa. At some point, we will be sharing our homemade recipe. But first, let's make some delicious quesadillas. First, grab a saute pan and drizzle on a little bit of olive oil. You'll want to have it set on medium to low heat. Then add your flour tortilla. We are going to be using some leftover chicken. We had chicken tacos last night. So for lunch, we're making these yummy quesadillas. So spoon on whatever ingredients you want. You can use chicken, beans, or vegetables. And simply add your desired amount. And now sprinkle in some of that yummy queso fresco. And if you want to try a different cheese, go for it. And then sprinkle on the onions and cilantro mixture. And then top it with a couple dollops of salsa. And that's it, my friends. This is ready to be topped with a flour tortilla. After it cooks for about 10, maybe 15 minutes or less, you have to check the side. If it looks like it's nice and crispy, then flip it over and let it cook on the other side for a little bit. Once it's done, it should be crispy and everything in the middle should be melted. And then scoop it up onto a plate, and it's time to put whatever you want on top. And there's one other special ingredient I wanted to tell you about. Crema. This is so good. This is my new favorite sour cream. So what I like to do with my quesadilla is put a little dollop in the center. That way when I cut my quesadilla and I take a bite of it, each piece has a little bit of cream. And then sprinkle on whatever cheese you want. I'm gonna stick with my queso fresco. And then add a couple of dollops of salsa over the top. And then top it with the diced onions and cilantro. And you can't forget to decorate it with a couple cilantro leaves. This is such an easy meal. You can put it together in about 15 minutes. And the best part is you can use up your leftover taco ingredients. Meat or vegetables, anything. You can put anything in these quesadillas. I hope you like this recipe and subscribe for more videos. Thanks a lot. And until next time, happy cooking.